Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss distinct keyword in Microsoft SQL Server. First of all, we have need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Next, I will need to create a database. So I will create here a database as a metro demo. Press F5. Okay, my database metro demo successfully created here, and then use here the metro demo and select it and execute the query. Okay, and next I will need to create a table as a employee with the 4 column emp id int emp name as a varchar 50 emp city as varchar 50 and emp email as varchar 50. Okay, and select it, execute the query. Okay, my table successfully created here, and then I will insert the 3 record inside the employee table. So I am use the insert into employee statement values 1 Amit Noida Amit @gmail.com. Select and execute the query. My first record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then copy it, paste here, right here to Amita Noida, amita@gmail.com, select and execute the query. My second record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and again paste it, and right here 3 Amita Delhi, Amita 123@gmail.com. Then execute the query. Okay, 3 records successfully inserted inside the employee table, and next I will use the select star from employee to display the all records from the employee table. Okay, look here, all records displayed here. Next, I will use the distinct keyword to display the emp city column. Basically, the distinct is used to display the duplicate words one time from a column of a table. Look here, emp city has 3 cities, Noida, and Delhi, but Noida and Noida 2 times inside the emp city column. So with the help of distinct keyword, we will display only one time Noida in my query. Let's sit here, select distinct emp city, right here the column name that you want to display, city from employee, select and execute the query. Look here, the Noida display only one time, and Delhi is also as it is. Okay, Thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.